Good morning, everyone. We are the Group 3 and we are going to report about understanding citations, MLA and APA. Introduction to citation. Why citation matters? Citation matters to acknowledge the sources of information, avoid plagiarism, provide readers with information to locate the original source. And two common citation styles. We have the MLA, which stands for Modern Language Association, APA, American Psychological Association. Overview of MLA citation style. Used in humanities, literature, arts, and focuses on authors and page number. Key features: work cited page for referencing sources. So these are just the overview of our report, and the other of my members will elaborate more about what we are going to report.
MLA works cited page is a list of sources used in research paper that appears at the end of the paper. The format of works cited page is authors, period, title of book, period, publisher, comma, year of publication, period. Example of a book. Smith, John, period, understanding citation, period, Academy Press, comma, 2020, period. Smith, John is the name of authors. Understanding citation is the title of book. Academic Press is a publisher. 2020 is the year of publication. Example of a website. Jones, period, the importance of citation, period, research online, comma, March 15, 2021, period. Jones Sarah is the name of author. The importance of citation is the name of website. Research online is the platform that you use for searching. March 15, 2021 is the year of publication. MLA and length citation is a brief reference and understatement that directs the reader to the corresponding template and the works cited page. The basic format of MLA and length citation is author's last name followed by a page number enclosed in parentheses. Example: Smith 22. Smith is the author's last name. 22 is a page number in enclosed parentheses. By using enclosed parentheses, it can help clearly separate the citation from the main text, making it easy for reader to identify the source of information. Next is when no author is available, you have to find the title of article and the page number. Example: Workplace Safety and Ergonomics, page 45. Next is no page number. You have to find the author's last name. Example: Smith.
I am Ryan Miguel Urag, and now I will discuss the overview of APA citation style or American Psychological Association. APA was originated in 1929 by the group of psychologists, anthropologists, and business managers. APA was used in social sciences, education, and psychology. It focuses on the authors and the date of publication. The basic format of APA, the author's last name, and the date of publication. For example, Smith, 2022. And for the direct code, the author's last name, date of year of publication, and page number. For example, Smith, 2020, page number. And for the two authors, just write the last name of the two authors and the year of publication. For example, Smith and Johnson, 2020. And for multiple authors, just write the author's last name. For example, Smith et al. 2020.
Gigyan na yun.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. EPA reference page. The EPA reference page lists all sources cited in your work. It ensures academic integrity and helps readers locate your sources. So reference books format, author's last name, book title, or year, book title, publisher. Next is reference for journal articles. Author's last name, initial, year, article name, journal title, and volume issue. Next is websites. Format, author, organization, year, title of the web page. Next is the URL. Example, American Psychological Association 2021 Understanding EPA Style Center. Next is the key difference between MLA and EPA. The key difference between EPA and MLA formats lie in the citation structure, date, placement, and how titles and authors' names are formatted. EPA is commonly used in social sciences and emphasizes the date of publication, while MLA is used in humanities and focuses on author page citations. Both styles ensure proper credit is given to distinct guidelines for organization and presentation. That's all.
I am Ket Arjanavi and I'm going to discuss about citation mistakes. MLA, incorrect punctuation in works cited. Missing publication dates or locations. EPA, incorrect order of authors and references. Missing UI or org or online sources. Quick references for MLA and EPA. Citations. MLA example. Smith, John, that understanding citation. Period, academic work, base, 2020, period. EPA example. Smith, G, that 2020, that understanding citation, that academic press. Tools to help with citation. Citation generators. ECB, citation machine. Zotero, style guides. MLA handbook, publication, manual of American Psychological Association.